Morning, everyone. This is Mark Leibovit, and this is for Monday, April 4th, Leibovit volume reversal tutorial here on Esignal. Esignal is available on a 1-month free trial, and the Leibovit volume reversal incorporates 3 versions of the volume reversal: the sequential, which posts all positive and negative VRs, which I use on these videos, the directional, which filters out repetitive VRs, and the 2-day, which is based on the premise that following a positive and negative VR, you tend to get movement for a day or two in the direction of the volume reversal. Ultimately, much more, but we usually trade for a couple of days on that 2-day or 2-bar indicator. Meanwhile, we're going to jump into our stock for the day, for the week. We're looking at General Cannabis, that's Cann on the over-the-counter bulletin board market. The marijuana stocks are in play again. We have a letter called the Vice Letter, which incorporates cannabis stocks as well as other quote-unquote sin stocks like alcohol, gaming, and so forth, tobacco. But there's some action, some of these low-price stocks, and we do have the Vice Letter, and we do trade these. As you can see here, the 2-day principle, 2-bar principle worked out really well for Cann here in the last couple of weeks. We had a positive volume reversal on March 14th. Little penny stocks, of course, but they do move on a percentage basis. As little penny stock, they move from basically from 4 to 6 cents. And then when the same positive VR was formed, this was a couple of weeks later on the 28th, we had a little move here from the 5-6 area up towards 7.5. And again, if you jumped in the day of the positive VR, in both cases it was confirmed by a rising 533 stochastic, which I like to use as a confirming indicator you have a good trade. The potential could be much higher in the stock. It's down quite a bit from where it had been. In fact, going back here, if I can pull up a weekly chart on it, this thing, it was trading almost $8, $9, $10 a share here, and this was back in January of last year. So, I mean, this thing, could be all over the place, and definitely you want to consider trading it. So this is what we do here, and this is what we try to take advantage of with these positive VRs. Meanwhile, bringing you up to speed a little bit here, we do have the Vice Letter, which is highlighted on the screen, so go to vrtrader.com for more information on these trades. We also have our other products, our VR Silver and Platinum, which covers the regular market, our Gold Letter, which covers resources, our annual forecast model, which is our cyclical product, and of course my book, The Trader's Book of Volume. And as a reminder, I do host the Wall Street Raw radio program on Saturdays, 10 a.m. Eastern. That's gcnlive.com, gcnlive.com for Wall Street Raw. So I encourage you to check in there if you haven't done so already. Appreciate you tuning in, and we'll be back with you next week.